put 5 mini contracts in my order tab here and just start swinging for the fences. I'm genuinely wondering, do I do it? I'm genuinely asking. Tis the question. What's crazy is if I did 5 contracts and I caught a 100-point trade, that'd still be what, only 10 grand? That would still be nowhere near the top of the overall leaderboard. Oh, that's it though. Yeah, just 5 contracts, 100 points. That's all it would take to still not even be anywhere close to first place. But that's what's crazy is like it's probably gonna in order for me to pull off the improbable comeback. Now don't get me wrong, really the goal is probably just to get into the top 200. So, but like if you were really like seriously trying to get all the way to the top of the overall leaderboard, it's like, bro, you would have to do max cons, catch several hundred points multiple times. Right now, Presley Workshop is up 88K of profit in the number 1 spot. You know he's sweating right now though, right? That's actually not a big cushion. The number 1 spot was $38,000 ahead of everyone else yesterday. Now it's like 9 grand. You know he's sweating a little bit like, oh fuck. Oh no! Our own team lost the number 1 spot. Wasn't it Damien? Damien was number 1, now he's number 3. MXD and Dylan coming out of nowhere to steal 1 and 2. Oh, Kane at 11. Man. Somehow our oh my gosh, we were like 13 yesterday at one point as well with the overall balance. Now we're down to 18, and our win rate dropped off. What are you guys doing? Listen, you can't blame me. Look at my win rate. You can't blame me for this. What are we doing? Why are you guys losing so much? No reason to be higher than 200 in knockout, right? Yeah, pretty much, Telsey, just because, what is it, the 200? I think it's, yeah, the top 200 get moved to live. Is it? Let's check it again.
Okay, we should be live. I was like, are we live? Are we live? Let me start real quick off. Hi, time. I'm bearish right now, but I just don't like if we're going to see high, I wanted to see we need to see it now because we're reacting. We're tapping into the weekly order block now, and yeah, but ideally I would want to see it taken out first. The low hanging fruit right here, and then we have like another fair value gap here. I would low-key start targeting lower targets and stuff. But we gotta wait and see how that goes. We're not gonna try to rush that into that. Right now, for now, this is I guess easy target right here. 15 is the next time frame I'm looking at. Bit of a tap right here this morning. Again, this is like my easy target. Let me take out something going on. I was kind of confused. Right here. Let me take out night mode. Kind of hurting my eyes. Too orange. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. So yeah, just going for targets right now. Low hanging fruit right now. It would be nice short here, which I low-key wouldn't mind shorting this, but we're just such a premium, dude, and a deep discount that I wouldn't want to continue shorting this. But this would be my goal right here, right there, for the day. Yeah, just waiting to see what happens. I'm gonna have both open real quick. Give me a sec. Five. I want to see what's happening here. We better have. I'd rather wait to 10 because we do have news at 10. Well, accordingly, it hasn't been moved, so today was supposed to be CPI. I mean FOMC, NFP, but they moved it, so we're just gonna have to be waiting patiently. Alright guys, I'm back. I definitely want to see this gap get filled in. So that's why I'm just waiting for this to be taken out first. I'd rather just wait for this, the sell side to be taken out lower. And then I'll look to target up higher. I haven't had a breath, bro. I'm getting old. Oh my gosh. Alright, okay, that's here. We closed here. Alright, I'm locking, guys. Let me just make sure everything's fine. All right. So again, I mean, I'm definitely gonna have that open here. The freak is this? Oh. The hell? I'll take it off for now. Oh, that's why I look like that. I'm like, why I look so... Okay. gonna see how it reacts here. Where's the new week opening gap? Okay. So that's weird. Okay. If we convert this 5, we'll probably start looking for longs. I would want to see us close above this, but yeah, we're right to kind of question of that daily. Well, not here, but we are on MAQ. I would want to see a closure. If we're gonna go lower, then I feel like we should go low from here. But I want to go long from here. Let me see this. OTE. Yeah, we had to hit it at the time, so I'm waiting for the second reversed, and then probably look for something like this. Stop loss would be here. Oh, that's a big one. I'll see what happens. Kind of want to go with 2, but I probably have to break even something. I'm just waiting, guys. I'm just waiting to see right now what happens. I want to see this get inverted. Start going for all this. Even on the hive, I feel ballsy, but I think I just gotta be careful. I want to see what the 1 hour does. If we can start closing above it, start showing high, then I'll probably start thinking. But I'm gonna wait to 10. So far, I mean, yeah, it's too much. I can't even take it on micros. I can't. London highs here. London. I would prefer to be above this weekend opening gap, really. Let me see 2. I don't know. I really just wait for like a nice break or something. I like to change the state. Yeah, nah, a breaker would be ideal for me. I'm just waiting right now. We are rejecting that we did take it out here. Hello. Again, I'd rather just whoa. If we did reverse it here, but stop loss would be. I could only go with 1 contract. Yeah, I mean it's a pretty big stop. want to see what happens here. Him and Q and humans are looking a little different though. Good morning, guys. If you guys haven't dropped a like, drop a like. I'm going to start looking for positions to get into. That's funny. Hey, shut up. Alright, again, I'm just waiting. We have a new ego. I would rather low-key 100% be above it. You know, above it. And then I will start targeting, you know, levels and stuff. Good morning, guys. Drop a like if you guys haven't. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, I do see that we're reacting from the daily quadrant. I'll show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. Right here, look. If you guys take a I'm just gonna be patient over now. I'm just gonna be really patient. Buy limit sell. Stop loss. TP would be all the way up here. I'm thinking, should I go for it? Fine, I'll go for it. I'll go with 2. How did the 1 hour close? Oh, okay. Actually, nah. I'd rather just look for longs, to be honest. Yeah, I'd rather just look for longs. Ideally, you want to go to that if you do want to go to that, but I don't. I'd rather low-key wait for it to get inversed. But ideally, you do want to play this move if you are looking for shorts. You could take one off here. I'm thinking about it. Should I go for it or not? I'm gonna go for it, fuck it. I could only sell one though. That's what I'm going for right now, guys. Good morning, guys. Drop a like, subscribe if you guys haven't. We did reject this too. Let me see how much, because I'm just gonna, it's way too much in my opinion for. Actually, how much are,
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in that. I got it from the order block. My stop loss is pretty fucking tight now. Alright, I want to see this drop now. And we have a 10 favorite, I just saw. Nice. I think that's expansion. I want to see where we have 1-1 though. I'm gonna go break even. I don't think we should think it. What I want to see. Oh, we did take it here. Okay. 1022. Yeah, we just took it.
Order filled.
I close it. I promised myself on Friday that I would only go 1 for 1s. I'm done, guys. But I do think we could go lower, but it's just like, ugh, I'm telling you guys, like, it's this for the past thing. I just need to get my capital back and like start, you know. That's good. Maybe this is a habit I have to learn eventually, but I just closed that 101, guys. What time is it? 10:08. Because it would low-key bother me if I got stop that break even, giving back all those profit back. So I just study though. So you know, so we also did hit it on thingy though, like right here, south side. Close that. is why I closed, guys. GG. Told you. I am low-key looking for a long now. Hold on, let me see the 5 minute. Okay, I'll probably go for this so we could close above it. No, I'm in Q, sorry. Yes. I'll see, hold up. Yeah, low-key worth it. I'm gonna wait though and see what happens here. I'll see how it's here. Oh, we do have this 15 minute above it. I mean, the hours are already beginning to switch on me. So, I'll see. I'll see what it could offer, really. I want to get a CIZ for both. I don't think this should be a problem anymore. We already use it to go lower. Yep, we got assist. We haven't had assist yet though, but we gotta tap into that and I'll see how we react from this fair value gap. I might just get in again. GG on the good entries, by the way. We also did reverse this fair value gap, like I said, I didn't want to see. We have a minute to close in. I'll see what happens here. What the hell? Oh, it did it for thingy. Okay, so I'm just waiting, guys. We have a CIZ already, so if you could trade back into this fair value gap right here, I'll low-key get in. And then long stop loss here. Oh, these will be my first target. It's a good R, really. I could even take it up to the 1 minute, to the, oh no. thing I just don't like, if I'm being completely honest with myself, is the Fair Valley guys, bro. Like, there's so many of them to get up here. We have assist, guys. We have assist. We haven't quite got that here yet, but this I don't expect it to hold much. This is the only thing that's worrying me though. GG, we catching that. I'm gonna go for that. Nah, I just don't like the new week opening gaps, dude. I just don't like them. I don't like these no week opening gaps, and I don't like them. That's tough. What time is it? Yeah, I already took a short, but the thing is, I'm really just wondering right now. Should I? Should I not? How's the hour looking like? The previous hour, 3 hour low. I'm gonna go with one. Sure. I really don't like that. Let me see the 1 hour. Ugh, hit an auto block. Nah, I'm gonna let it go, guys. Yeah, I'm good, guys. I'm good. That's scary. I'm good. Yeah, nah, I'm good though. just so many factors going against me, bro. I'm being honest. We have a CIC. We do have a thingy though. That's the thing I am liking though. But I just look at this beautiful rejection, dude. I just don't like that shit. I don't like it. If we could get up around here, maybe I could go for a lot higher. But I really don't like this, dude. I want to see what happens here in this 5 minute right here. I would have to risk so little. Yeah, dude, we're just going against -1 the order blocks on the higher time frame. But we already did take out liquidity. That's the only thing that's really just. I want to see what happens, guys. Like, I would want to see a change of state or something quickly. This BPI right here, fair value gap. You have a scissor already. I just don't like the 15 minute, and I don't like the 1 hour. This is an order block. H1 order block. I don't like this. I would want to start seeing push through that, even if it was to be an order. If we like this order block would be neglected if we could even, and then we would want to go for this. But it's just like, bruh. Let me have 1050. Oh, that's a nice pump up. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm in, guys. I'm in. I'm getting in from this breaker, guys. It's my last trade. Either I'm good up for the week or I lose. It's fine. And I do think we could tap into this thingy. Wow. I told you I don't like the new week opening gap. I need to see starting this hold. We're tapping into thingy now. Oh, that's not a good candle, bruh. I'm gonna close it prematurely. I gotta see something though. I gotta see how we close in this 5 minute. Not even good. I gotta see this. Like, I need to see this thing again. I'll probably thingy here though. If we can reverse this, I'll probably say I'll stay in. And move my stop immediately. But I need to see this now. Because like we already inverse this. I need to see this get closed immediately again and become a reclaimed border block. We must stop immediately to there. Nice. Yeah, we just leave it there. Nice. I'm gonna close this shit because just I don't like the way it's thingy, dude. I'm gonna close it. Or it's gonna stop me out. Fuck you too then. Bruh. Bro, I don't like the wicks, dude. The 1 hour struggling to get up there.
Order filled.
I closed, dude. That's not gonna work. It's fine. 10:30. It's worth it, but I'm just gonna have to wait. Let me see what 1050 does. Excuse me. I don't like that we have the 17 on top too. Yeah, that's not looking good. You literally might want to continue going lower, dude. It's looking better shit. We just also gotta change the state of the dirt right here. want to see what we could do here, dude. The Q is weaker for sure. I'm gonna sell one. Let's sell. What I am gonna have there is this though. Yeah, dude, just respecting too much. I really need to start seeing this disrespect now. My bad, guys. My mom thingy just came in. I'm gonna hold into this at least. There's rejection so far. Nice. Okay. So far, so good. I mean, I need speed here. I don't want to see nothing. want to dump, bro. Closed. Closed. This is the P&F for the week. Oh god, that shit was annoying. Oh, yeah. I don't like the closure as much. Alright guys, well that's it. GG and trade. I took a long and I took a short. I wanted to go long here like one time, and then I just saw the 15-minute hold so beautifully. I was like, yeah, nah, I'm not going against the 15. Especially like the thing is, the new week opening gaps was like against me. That's why I don't like the new week opening gaps like when they're with me. But yeah. Yeah, we're coming back, boys. We're coming back. Hopefully November's a better month. Alright, boys. I'll see you guys. I don't think we have thing. Yeah. Supposedly we have news, but let's see on Monday. Alright, let's see if he took a trade. Let's see what he took today. So he was looking for shorts too as well. He didn't take the shorts. When was the short that I took? When did I take the short here? Oh yeah, 10:02. Yeah, I took the short here. And then he go for the longs as well. Oh, he did go for the longs. I'll watch it later. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. I gotta go. Looks like it's going for it. Nice. I just gotta build my confidence right now because we're just in such drawdown. It's because of fucking October, sorry. So I really just, play it easy right now. Calmly build my confidence back up. We wiped the last week's loss, which is good, and we're still a little bit over in profit 93. Yeah, we wiped 2 weeks' losses. But I'll show you guys something crazy right now. October was crazy, dude. November, we wiped out last week's thingies, and then we also wiped out this week's loss. So these 3 losses were. I really want to start eating into this loss right here. I crashed out in this, I think. So yeah, it's fine, I guess. Just lower, nice. So we did hit the target, but I didn't like the way we were going down slowly. Anyways, guys, I'll see you boys. If there's news, then probably one. If not, then I don't know. Bias? I shorted, bro. I shorted. I'll show you what I shorted real quick, so you begin. Well, you already are trading EI, but you know what I mean. I shorted ES here. I was short into here. I'm short to here at the 4 hour. If you take a look right here, it's low hanging fruit. But the thing is, we took it here too already. So I'll show you. This is where I took the short from. Since none of them had hit it yet, I was trusting it to be a, to be a draw for both. When we tapped into this 5-minute right here, I'll show you real quick. The 15-minute was there at that time, but this is not inversion. This is just a regular 5-minute fair value gap. Let me just go back. I'll show you. Like that. So when we tapped into this like that at 9:55, here, I saw this reaction here, and I'm like, wow, that's nice. Okay, we also had to change the state right here. So I was already looking thinking, I'm like, if it's not gonna give me a tap back into this, then I just got in from the auto block right here. I got tapped in here in the auto block. I was willing to risk a little bit less, a little bit more, because I was already pretty confident with what I was looking for. The only thing I just didn't like was we were obviously way below the opening prices, but yeah. So I got in here and I literally just shut it. I was like, because my rules just go for 1-for-1s on Fridays, because I'm not trying to get over crazy with the price. So this was my short, and then my thingy was like here, and then my thingy was here, and I just closed a little bit above that. So it was like something like that. And then I see this, I'm like, okay, we took out 4 hours outside, and we haven't tagged it. So to me, this was an SMT, right, at the moment, right, like that. We hadn't taken it out, we already took it out. So I'm like, okay, I'm looking for longs now, because originally I was looking for longs to trade back up into the opening range gap and all the upper prices, right? The only thing that I was seeing that I knew was gonna be against me, I said that pretty confident, because I like new opening gaps are really good for magnets as back, but when you're trying to trade against them, bro, they're very fucking annoying to try to go against. So with that logic, I was looking back. I was just looking for 5-minute assist. Nah, I got it here. After taking 4 hours south side, because remember we already took this out. Right here, sorry, right there. We didn't take it out here, so this is an SMT. So I'm like, yeah, I'm pretty confident looking for longs and back. So then I told you I was just waiting for 5-minute assist right here at 10:10. The only thing that I knew that I told you like I didn't like was this thing right here, this wig, bro. And then the constant encroachment of the new. I'm like, yeah, bro, that's not looking nice. Cool. All right. So I got it from the breaker. I'm like, I'm gonna keep this short little trade if it doesn't play out. I got it from the breaker. My stop loss was here. We had a fair value, yeah, breakaway, whatever you want to call this, inversion on the 1 minute. Yeah. So then I just I cut it off. Once it was going like this, like here, I cut it off. I'm like, this should not be happening, especially because they already tapped into this. Like, we should just start spazzing, boom, up high. So I'm like, okay, cool. During that thing, I'm like, it probably wants to go. It wants to go lower, bro. It wants to go lower, probably for that 4 hours outside that we're still looking at. So I'm like, okay, I switched my buys again. I'm like, okay, if we don't want to go thing, then we want to go short, lower for that south side. So then I just get in. I got in on ES again, I believe. Did I get in on ES? I forgot what I got in from. Oh yeah, I got in from here. I got in from this inversion. Then I think I got in like somewhere here, and then my stop loss was, I think it was a 5-minute. Oh yeah, because we also saw that we were respecting this 5-minute inversion right here. Right here, and we had SMTs on top. That's why I needed to see speed quickly, really quickly, or else we were just gonna not be a good time. Yeah, this right here, you see, we closed above it here, and then at the moment it was going up, so I'm like, yeah, looking good, but then we just close again. I'm like, nah, that's not good. So we stopped this, and then I just got in from the lower FEG. I got in from somewhere here, dude. I don't even know, somewhere here, and then it was auto block. So yeah, I saw this. So this was basically my trade, dude. My second short, and then I put my stop loss here. No, I took it on the 5 minutes, so I think I put it above. I think I put it a little bit above here, and then I just rolled this puppy right here. I closed before this because at the time NQ hit it. So and I didn't like the closure. I didn't like the closure we had here. You see this wick? That's not cool. But I didn't like the way we didn't have a like clear displacement through this low. So that's why I was like, eh. But you know. Nice short, long could have played out, but price was yeah. It was just too. It was respecting too. I'm telling you, bro. Like I needed to see this hold, bro, because we had a change of state. I was waiting for that. I didn't just get it from a 1 minute structure. I was getting it from a 5 minute CIZ, and I saw this. So then I'm like, okay, I don't want to have a huge stop loss and have it all the way here. So I'm like, let me just wait to see how we react around this area. And then that's why I'm like, okay, we're just doing this. I'm like, you know, I'm getting it, whatever. But I lowered my risk. I got it from the 2 minute breaker, and I kept it short. I'm like, if we're gonna bounce quickly, you know, like, especially after hitting this. I needed to see immediate displacement, because this leg was already hitting equilibrium. See, it was hitting equilibrium at the time. So I'm like, yeah, I need to see that. And then I see this BS. I'm like, yeah, I closed. I'm like, I don't like this. And and at the time, I told you, bro, we were looking bullish as hell, because this candle was all the way up here. So it was looking good. But then we closed back here. I'm like, yeah, nah. I closed. As soon as I saw that, like the next minute or two, I closed it. And then, if you see this leg up, we really respect the inversion of it. You see, like zoom in carefully. This is freaking dope. It's like magic, dude. We respect 50% of this inversion. So that's why when I saw this, I felt confident. Like, yeah, we're probably most likely gonna go lower. And then yeah, we did. So then that's what I got in from here. I have the charts up right here. Hold up. Let me see it real quick. But I'm pretty sure it was that. I got it from that inversion. And then yeah. But yeah, it was. I mean, prices are a little choppy today. And the thing is, bro, it's Friday. I'm not like trying to, you know, I'm not trying to be Superman today. I'm not trying to be Batman or something. Let me see if I can see the charts. I don't see the chart executions. What the hell? Did I not put it up? And I've been like in a losing streak for like the past 2-3 weeks. So I'm just trying to like, you know, get my confidence back up. Right here. Oh no, I actually got below that before that. I forgot what I got in from, dude. 669. I forgot. I think it was a 2-minute auto block. Oh no, right here. Yeah, it was a 2-minute version. I don't know. I forgot, but I knew like the price was looking bearish for me, dude. It's because of the 5-minute. So this 5-minute here. And we also I forgot to mention we also had SMTs on top. Look, I'll show you real quick. Look at the 5-minute SMTs. This is why I said like I need to see something quickly, or else we're just gonna. You see this right here? Boom, SMT. You see this right here? Boom, SMT. We didn't take it out, so yeah, that's why I was more bearish now after that. The only thing I told you I didn't like was we're way too below price opening to beat thingy, trying to do that. But yeah, that's why I felt confident in the short. Like, you know. Relative equal highs. Yeah, it's probably gonna. I don't know if it's gonna take it out today or tomorrow. I don't know. But the reason I was really bullish, dude. If you look at Nasdaq and you go to regular trading hours, we left it open, dude. We really left this. What the hell, dude, bruh. Where is it? Right here. We left the thing, the new week opening gap. The opening range gap completely open. Right here. I don't have it on M5. I'm gonna change that real quick. Save as opening range gap. Yeah, we left it completely open, bro. And then we also had like higher targets. We were just so low, everything, you know, below May 30. But so I was just looking for buys, bro. I just had no logic to try to go for a thing. Like this was my original. This was what I was really putting my eyes onto. Right here, these equal highs. Oh, it's cold. It's fucking cold. What the hell? This right here. So that's why I was looking for a reason too long. But like I knew before I wanted the thing, I needed to see some sort of SMT or some sort of liquidity be taken. And then at the Todia time, we did have it for Nasdaq, for ES. ES did take it out, so I was like, I was more confident looking for a long after that. But just the reason, like I said, like I just didn't like the new week opening gap and stuff. There was so much against me, like against me. Look at this. Look at this. I only didn't type this shit. I wish I would have typed it. It was against me. Like it would feel better like if we inverted this. Let's just say this was a 5, and then we close above these opening gaps, and yeah, now I feel confident to go higher because now we have these. Now they're used as opposite arrays now. So instead of being used as resistance when we go below it, now they're used as support. So that's why I would have felt more confident version. But then my stop loss would have been crazy. But I mean, it depends on like how big the stop loss is on the 1 minute or so. But yeah, then I would have to then I would start targeting equal highs. But I even said it, like, I just didn't like it. And then if you look at the 1 hour as well on ES, we were tapping into this order block, this last up close candle. So everything was really against me to look for longs, but I felt pretty confident in the longs. I waited for my sell side to be taken out first before looking at reversal. And I think it was also during the macro time too, so I was like, yeah, I'm pretty good. Yeah, it was. It was actually the ending of the macro. But it was after 10, so... It was a good trade. This was worth it. I think Talia took it too. If I'm not mistaken. I wonder if Tanya took it too. She never she did stream today. I want to see if she took it long. 3R on short. Oh, she looked for short too. I'm assuming she was going for that low hanging fruit. Oh, he was looking for a F1. Oh yeah, that's when I got in short too. I think. Oh, it's cold. What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah, cause that's how I reacted here. Yeah. I got from an auto block. Oh no, this is a long. Well, where did she take the short from then? Wait, where did she take the shot from? I'm assuming she waited till after. Oh yeah, she did take that shot. Yeah, that was the candle that got me like, I'm like, yeah, nah, this is not looking good. That candle right there. Yeah, you see the SMTs on top too. Yeah, that candle. That's the candle that I saw. I'm like, yeah, nah, fuck that. I'm out. Yeah, I just waited a little longer for that, dude. Price just wasn't strong enough. Yeah, it's just what it is, dude. Like I said, it was more for me. It was more just like ending the week in green, bro. Cause like we've been having red weeks after red week, so it's just like, you know, your confidence kind of gets killed, if that makes sense. And the job is just to try to build it back up. Where is it? You know, I just wanted to have a great week. And I barely took a trade to this week, but yesterday was, well, supposedly it was NFP Friday. That's why I traded Thursday, but yeah, this hopefully we are able to start eating up in our losses now for next week coming up and so on. So we can start thinking. If we continue lower, I would have to look into higher time frames really. This was my higher time frame draw, and if we start displacing it, and I was just and this would probably these would be my draws. All of this. It would obviously I would obviously have to need like a 4 hour fair value gap or something. Yo, this was crazy. I saw this morning. If you take the because I wanted to see high from here, you know, because we're tapping into a weekly order block now. That's how I was overall still more bullish, but I wanted to see something like through here. But if you look carefully at the when it breaks, like ICT says it, like whenever it breaks through what's it called, through ranges, like I'll show you. That's when you know you expect the breakaway gap. Like for example, look, from here to here, it broke this like nothing, I think, right? But how did it go? Where is it? I saw it earlier. I don't know if it was on the 50-minute. Here. You see how it breaks like a fair value gap through this range of the PG rates, or the upper and through the middle. He said it will most likely remain open and it does, but this was I think early in the morning, so I wasn't in the market. But I'm definitely gonna look into that later. He explains that in his newer what is it called, the advanced ICT what is it called? I forgot what it's called. I think it was advanced liquidity concept or something. I don't even know where that. It was like advanced. I think it was this one. No, it wasn't. I knew it was something with advanced. No, I think it might have been this one. I don't know, but yeah, this was dope. This was a nice ass video. But this only worked for me like on Wix. That's why I was like really anticipating that Wix to like send us higher from here. From here to have mark the quadrants and stuff. Like if if we're really like bullish, we will stay above the equilibrium of the wick. But you know, you could always have deeper retracement. But this is just way too weak now. Alright, bro, I'm gonna head out now because I gotta do a few things. Oh my god, damn, it's really just dropping. This was a nice shot in the 15-minute, but I was looking for longs. I wasn't looking for shorts. After this replacement this was nice. It's just scary as shit, I ain't gonna lie. It's really fucking scary. Like when it was going up like that, I'm like, fuck. But then I was tapping into this order block right here. I saw those around here. Yeah. Alright, whatever. I'll see you.